Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Bloomberg terminal. First, power on the terminal and enter your unique username and password to log in. Remember, the Bloomberg keyboard has special colored keys for specific functions, which are essential for efficient navigation. Once logged in, you'll see the main menu, offering a gateway to a vast array of financial tools and data. This initial step is crucial for accessing all the powerful features available. Once you're logged in, the command line is your primary tool. Simply type a ticker symbol, like Opal US Equity, or a keyword, then press the green Go key. For example, to analyze equities, you might type EQS and then Go. This allows you to quickly pull up detailed information on specific securities, market data, and news. Mastering these commands will significantly speed up your research and analysis. The Bloomberg Terminal offers powerful analytical tools. To get real-time news, type BN and press Go. For a quick overview of global market movements, use WGT and Go. You can also build custom charts and reports to visualize data and identify trends. These functions provide deep insights into market dynamics, helping you make informed decisions. Explore the various functions to unlock the full potential of the terminal. To maximize your efficiency, customize your terminal. You can create personalized layouts and set up alerts for specific price movements or news events. If you ever need assistance, simply press the Help key twice. This connects you directly to Bloomberg's support team, who can guide you through any challenges. Leveraging these features ensures a tailored and productive experience, making the terminal an indispensable tool.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.